Hello, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a print screen and then paste it on a Google document or a Google slide. So first, click on Control Alt and then print screen. So I will do that right now. And then go to the Google Drive, click on New, click on Google Docs, and there are two ways to paste it on the Google Docs. You can click on Control V as in Victor, or you can right click on the mouse and click Paste. And it's the same way with the Google Slides. So click on Control V. That's one way of pasting your screen. Or right click on the mouse and click Paste. And this is how you make a print screen and paste it on a Google Doc or Google Slide.